number 15, lot S212, is a 1975 GMC Jimmy, four-wheel drive with a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission, and it sold for $30,250 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 28,999 miles. And the highlights are 350 cubic inch V8 engine, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive with locking hubs, rally wheels with trim rings and center caps, BF Goodrich tires, and please note, the air conditioning system is not currently functional. And also on this one, they didn't mention it. It had a new custom interior in it, and somebody added a roll bar, and it does have the removable hardtop, and somebody put a raised hood on it, and it had newer paint, and the bumpers were either re-chromed or very nice original ones because they were nice and shiny chrome, and a few other things done to it. Wasn't a total restoration, but somebody had done quite a few things to it. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.